All right, welcome to GL Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, I've had that clatter with the lifters and still trying to figure it out. I think I may have figured it out, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to jump for joy quite yet, but I'm thinking it's the VVT solenoid. It's stuck open all the time, and so so what I did is from Mancini Racing. Let's go through this a little bit here. Okay, first of all, here's a VVT solenoid. You see that hole there? That diverts pressure back to your phaser. And it allows it to sit in here like this and allows pressure to go through from the oil pump through these veins. And quite essentially, it's basically a spool valve. And this opens up and allows pressure to go through this hole and it puts pressure up against the phaser and it allows to advance the timing. Okay? Problem is it's stuck. It's wide open all the time. So now what it does, the same port that comes off the oil pump, one of the ports, inside the block, oil galleries, whatever you want to call them, it also feeds my lifters. So now when this thing's stuck open, now it's lowering the pressure on my lifters. So I got a little suspicion that this is bad. Okay? And I don't use it anyway. So what I did is, let me grab it. Now you notice at the end of that, it had a hole in it. So I went to Mancini Racing, and I bought this. And this is a plug that takes the place of it. And you can see it's solid. Okay? Otherwise, oil would have went in from the side here, and it would have came out here. There would have been a hole in it. So this is just a plug to plug that off. Okay? Because I'm not using a cam phaser. I got a cam phaser lock on it and everything. So I got a suspicion you're going to know it in real time if we fixed it or not. Right now, I don't know. But let's get this in. I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline on these seals. And then I got to reach down in here and I got to put it in. So I'm going to go. Oh, part number of that, by the way, is this SMVVTP right there. So if you're not using it, get yourself a plug so your lifters can have full oil pressure. Is this going to fix it? I don't know. We're all going to find out at the same time on this video. So now what I'm doing, I've already cleaned the hole out, and now I'm just putting some Vaseline on these seals so I don't wreck the O-rings. So hopefully they'll slide in there. Now I'll put some more inside the thing there. So now my lifters will get full-fledged oil pressure. Maybe we'll fix it. So I just don't know why it's clanking away. It's got 60 PSI. Got everything going for it. New cam, new lifters, oil pressure. I put a milling oil pump, high pressure pump in it. Or high volume, pardon me. Not high pressure, high volume. Okay, now this is going to be the difficult part. I hope I can get this in there without taking that intake off. Okay, I figured that was going to be difficult. Put the intake on, and it most certainly is. How am I going to do this? Now, turning it, is that the safe thing to do? Probably not. Okay, I popped it in there. Now, what did I do with the screw and the Allen wrench? Where did I set that? Oh, I set the fastener down and the Allen wrench somewhere, and now I'm looking for it. Okay, there it is. Okay. I hope this fixes it. If it don't, then I gotta pull the motor and start looking. Also, am I gonna be able to get this fastener on there? Absolutely. Yeah. I should have probably just used that bolt again. Fastener's so nice, but it's nice when. What do I do here? Wow. How do I get there? Take it back out again? Let's just use the bolt. I can't handle this suspense no more, guys. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know. I'll just use the factory bolt. Wherever I put it. Let's see. Gotta grab a wrench now. I believe it was a 10 millimeter. Where did I go with that now? Should be right here in the toolbox, and I'm not seeing it. Sure, it's in here. Well, or it's still sitting here. Oh, it's still sitting over here yet when I took it out. Okay. See, now I'm going to have full-fledged pressure to the lifters. But I hope running it that long, letting it warm up and all this stuff, I hope that I didn't wreck it. So I might have wrecked the cam already. I don't know. And if I did, I did. So that's all I can say. Nothing changing it now, so. Okay, it's in. Blood pressure's raising. Because I don't know if I fixed it or not. I probably didn't, but this is definitely. I watched my videos when I was putting this thing together, and I can't see I did anything wrong. I did everything I possibly could right. So now, okay, I started wiring this up, so now I got this all messed up. So I'm gonna get this set up here. I'll be right back. I started wiring this all up here, and I'm not done with it. And I started putting this all together. So I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to pause this. Well, okay, let's see if we can get her going. Turn on my ignition. Hit starter. Oh, it starts nice. Boy, that definitely quieted her up. But I still hear one. Yeah, I hope I didn't wreck it. Definitely one on this side that's still flapping away. Well, let's see, let's get... Man, I'm gonna have to hurry up here. I'm gonna get smoked out of here. I got 60 psi. Can't tell where it is. Yeah, I probably wrecked one. Oh well, I better shut it off because I'm going to die of carbon monoxide poisoning. Yeah, I probably wrecked it, so I don't know. Definitely a lot better than what it was, but there's one here. Yeah, I want to say there's one clanking pretty good. Yeah. Oh well. I think I might have solved the problem, but it might be too late. But I'm not sure. Next step is going to have to be is this valve cover is going to have to come off probably on this side. It's on this side. I think I let it run too long with low oil pressure. I think I might have wrecked those lifters. But I'm not sure though. I'm not 100% sure about this. Anyway, we'll try the next step. We'll take off the valve cover and stuff like that. But we did, I think we found the problem there, but it might be too late. I don't know. But anyway, I'll keep you posted. We'll do another video on with the valve covers off. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Please like and subscribe. Pray for me. Bye-bye.